Guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Westfield, New Jersey. And if you have a small bathroom like this and there's no space for a door, what we can do is get double doors. So on this little option here, we have two independent doors that can open either out or in. And the cool thing about it is, of course, we're getting around that toilet and still providing that wide opening space here. So a lot of times I walk into an estimate like this and most of my competitors will say that there's no real option, or they'll say, you know, all we can do is the bifold option. So the bifold, there's nothing really wrong with the bifold except that it sucks.
It's true.
It'll just last for a couple of days, probably like a couple of months. But because the hinge has to accommodate the weight of another piece of glass, but of course those hinges also have to pivot, and there's no securement option. In case you haven't seen the how to keep your shower doors from sagging video, take a look at that, and it'll kind of explain why the bifold options, the ones that collapse to one side, really just give up over time, because there's no safety mechanism, there's no backup plan. It's literally a hole, and then there's just a clamp that clamps around that hole. There's no way to shim it to keep the door from sagging over time. So I'm totally against the bifold option, unless, of course, we're using with a top rail, which we really don't like to use unless it's 100% necessary. But without a top rail, we won't do it's called a Zurich bifold shower enclosure. So this is the best option, and again, this gives you free movement to go ahead and open the doors to the inside in case you want to leave the shower venting overnight or after a shower. That way you get full ventilation into the bathroom, and this is definitely the best option in comparison to the dreaded bifold door. All right, so if you have any questions about this design, please feel free to give me a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, njglassdoors.com.